As we all know, humans were never separate from the nature. We are children of it. Shaped by wind, stone, fire, and time. Wait, how did it all started when there was nothing? Scientists believe that approximately 13.8 billion years ago, the entire observable universe was contained in an incredibly tiny, unimaginably hot, and incredibly dense point called singularity. In a fraction of a second after this singularity, the universe underwent an astonishingly rapid and exponential expansion, a period known as cosmic inflation. This was the beginning of space, time, matter, and energy. The most crucial distinction is that the Big Bang was not an explosion in the space, but rather an expansion of space itself, carrying energy and matter with it. Tiny particles like quarks and electrons began to form. These particles combined to make protons and neutrons, laying the foundation for everything that would ever exist. Within the first few minutes after the Big Bang, the universe was hot enough for nuclear fusion to occur. This process was called Big Bang nucleosynthesis, created the lightest elements like hydrogen, helium, and trace amounts of lithium and beryllium. As the universe continued to cool, electrons combined with nuclei to form neutral atoms. This event is known as recombination. As hydrogen and helium gas clouds collapsed under gravity, nuclear fusion lit the first star, where heavier elements were forged. When these early stars exploded as supernova, they scattered elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron into the space. These building blocks would one day form planets and life. Roughly 4.6 billion years ago, in a quiet spiral arm of the Milky Way, a massive cloud of gas and dust collapsed. At its center, pressure and heat created a new star, our Sun. Around it, leftover dust and rock began to collide and clump together. The early solar system was violent. Asteroids and debris bombarded young planets, shaping their surfaces. Slowly, the Earth cooled. A solid crust formed. Volcanoes released carbon dioxide, water vapor, nitrogen that created our early atmosphere. Then came rain, white storms that lasted millions of years. Finally, the Earth's surface cooled enough for ocean to form. Deep beneath the ocean, in hydrothermal vents or perhaps in warm shallow tidal pools, simple molecules began to react and combine. Over millions of years, they formed complex structures that eventually became the first living cells. These tiny organisms became the ancestors of all life that exists today. Life began simple with single-celled bacteria, but evolution would drive change leading to plants, animals, and eventually humans. Every atom in your body was forged in the heart of a star. The iron in your blood, the calcium in your bones. Earth isn't just a planet. It's a miracle born from chaos. And you, just by existing, are proof of that cosmic journey.